basically from state Bihar in here in India, and I've completed my graduation in engineering, and it's been 7 years since now I've started my IT career, and I'm working as a QA engineer now. And my last company was Verifone India, and I was deployed at Bangalore location here, and it's been the complete 7 years here in Bangalore. And yeah, so I like playing sports like cricket, badminton, and these are my interests and hobbies. Yeah, so that's about me. So here, that IT sector, it's quite booming and a lot of opportunities here. So, but I started searching for a job in abroad, in countries like Canada, then UK, Germany, because the opportunities there are huge. And also when you see on the world scale, like how you are going to improve your interpersonal skills, your managerial skills, and it's going to boost your lot of confidence, and it's surely going to help you as a further employee, where you can uh, excel in your career, and you can be a good leader to lead a team. Yeah. Yeah, so it started in 2019, where I saw the ad somewhere, and then I just registered there, but I didn't completed my profile. Then I got a call from VanHack team that there is a need for a QA professional like me, and you need to update your profile. So after once I updated my profile, all the process was quick. So I uh, went through the English verification test and the other coding tests, and then quickly I got shortlisted in a company, and where I am placed now. And after that, the all the interview process went well, and there was a lot of help from the VanEck team through the complete interview process. And after 6 months of the process, I finally got the offer. Yeah. Before joining VanHack, I was searching over the LinkedIn and the other job sites over the internet, or I was applying directly to some company portals, but it was like no reply or no answers from there. So it was I was just looking around, but of no use. And then I was not hoping much from the internet, but luckily I got to know about VanHack, and from there I just tried my luck, and it is awesome from here. Yeah. So from the day one, when I started to register myself, updating my profile in VanHack, I got help from the team, and they told that where you need to update, what are the skills you need to mention, and what are the key points you need to mention in your resume, so that it will attract the company and the HR's eyes, and so that your resume gets shortlisted. And how you need to prepare for the interviews, that also. Before every round, I used to get the mock interview call, and that schedule call was helping me like anything. And I was able to get the confidence, I was able to prepare for the answers beforehand, and it really helped me to ease my interview process. And I was not much nervous during the interviews, actual interviews where the company guys were taking. So it was quite smooth process because of all the help and suggestions and the materials, preparation materials what VanHack provided. So all these were helping me a lot that time. And I think because of that only, I was able to break through this uh, all the interview process. And this is quite helpful from the VanHack team. Yeah. Process I see here, it is similar to what we have in India here, where you get shortlisted first, and then you will be asked to go for the rounds. Like first, you'll be getting the technical or shortlisting round, and further the rounds will be coming up, and After every round, you will get the feedback whether you are selected for the next round or not, and based on that, you will be further means moving from one round to other, second round, third round. And the technical questions or the managerial questions, those were quite similar to what we have here for any job role we are searching for my profession. And all the things what were asked, that was related to my job and whatever I have as experience in the fields, it was quite similar, so I didn't face much difficulty. And I think the same technologies what I was using here, and the same technology was used in my current company where I was hired. So it was pretty smooth, and I think it's quite similar what we have faced the interview process here in India. Got a call from Beaton that you update the profile. Then Guilherme, he helped me to prepare for the questions and what are the technical skills you need to be ready with. Then what are the areas where I need to improve, and he was helping me with each and every step. And then later also I got a call from Alina to prepare for the further rounds, for example the second technical interviews. And I also got invite from you for the managerial round, where I got to know about the key things, how you need to handle all the managerial type of questions, leadership skills. And it was uh, it was helpful in a lot, because similar kind of questions were asked in that, and I was lucky to be prepared in advance for those questions. So this was all the questions and the tips and tricks what Van Hack gave to me, and I used it, and I think because of that, it was a great help from the Van Hack team to uh, smooth my interview process and get a job. Yes, the complete guide from the Van Hack, and the materials, like what the type of questions the company asks, and what are the skill sets they are looking for, so that I can get a basic picture what I need to prepare, how I need to present myself, and what are the areas where I need to prepare, how I need to answer the questions, how long it should be, for example. So all these things was very helpful, so that the other interviewers also, they are also confident, and they are also uh, liking my profile, because I was prepared for the interview process, and what the companies like about the candidates, if they are already prepared, so that they don't have to ask repeated questions. So definitely all the uh, help and materials which Vanek provided, that helped me to prepare in advance. And I was a little bit more confident, because already I knew 50% of the questions, so I can prepare myself and I can frame my answers accordingly. So yeah, those were really helpful. It was amazing. I was on top of sky, and it was really a dream come true, because I was just dreaming of a job in countries like Canada or Germany, where the facilities are awesome, the um, job market and the opportunities are great, and also the life standard is pretty good. You can enjoy as well as work at the same time. So, and you can also take care of your family, and it will be it was a dream come true for me. And for a few months I was not able to believe that actually I have landed a job in Canada. So it was a awesome experience, and really thankful to have Banak to help me to get this job. Yeah. Sometimes I was getting that nervousness that whether I am going fine or not, because a few of the questions where I answered, I was not 100% sure that I gave correctly or not. But uh, after a few days, or means it took some time, but I got a positive feedback from the interviewer panel. And at that point of time, I was thinking like, oh, I need to prepare myself a little bit more, because the standards what we are seeing in the whole world, and if they are hiring a candidate from abroad, then they must be thinking, they must be looking for a good candidate who is much better than others. So at some time, I was a little backstep, and then after getting the positive feedback in the first round, I I I, I was actually boosted up, and Van Hack team helped me that I was doing great. And then later I picked myself, and after I prepared and all the mistakes what I have done in the first round, and then the second and third rounds, it went well. So my tips for new van hackers who are looking for the job is to uh, be ready with your skill sets, and whatever areas you are good in, be prepared with that. And if you are looking in that particular role only, definitely you are going to land a good job offer. And you just need to be more confident, because uh, I saw from my experience I have been through, that this questions and the people are quite similar what we have in our countries like India or other countries what where you belong. So you just need to be more confident with your skill sets, and be ready with it. Give you 100%, and always prepare in advance, so that you are not getting some means other type of questions where you are stuck in. So yeah, definitely these are going to help you to get a good offer. Yeah, definitely van hackers who are looking for a good job in abroad, and who are looking to improve their lifestyle, and who wants to give a good education to their kids. So definitely it's a good opportunity where a VanHack is providing you a platform where we can search for a job in abroad, and you can relocate there. So not only in the sense of good lifestyle, also you can make a good money out of it. Also on the technical skills you can improve, and it will definitely help in your future, and you can use it to excel in your career. So this is a great platform, and you should definitely be feel lucky to have it this time.